Hi kids! Today, we have an exciting trip planned to visit a farm and see all the amazing farm animals. We'd love for you to join us. Let us go in the yellow bus. We have reached the farm.
Yes!
Let us meet our first farm friend. The cow. Cows are gentle and friendly. They produce milk, which we use to make cheese and butter. Cows like to eat grass. Cows make the moo-moo sound. Now let us say hello to our next friend, the horse. Horses are strong and fast. People can ride on their backs, and they help with farm work. Horses love to eat hay and grains. The horse makes the neigh sound. Here comes the pig, our next buddy. Pigs are very smart animals. They roll around in mud to keep cool and protect their skin. Pigs eat lots of different things, like vegetables and leftover food. Pigs make the oink oink sound. Let us walk over and say hi to the goats. Goats are excellent climbers and love to explore high places. They provide us with milk and cheese too. Goats enjoy munching on grass and leaves. Goats make the meh-meh sound. Let us say hi to the sheep. Sheep have soft woolly coats that we use to make clothes. They enjoy grazing on grass. Sheep often stay in flocks for safety. They make the baba sound. Let us meet the donkeys. Donkeys are strong and hard-working animals. They often help carry heavy things on the farm. Donkeys enjoy eating hay and grains, just like horses. Donkeys make the hee-haw sound. Let's head to the chicken coop. See, this is a hen. Hens lay eggs, and we can eat them for breakfast. Hens make the cluck-cluck sound. This is a rooster. Roosters make a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. This is a turkey. Turkeys eat seeds, fruits, and insects. Turkeys are known for their big feathers and gobble sound. Let us walk to the pond where the ducks swim. Ducks eat aquatic plants and insects. They have webbed feet and make the sound quack quack. Let's hear it.
Quack, 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 quack.
How many cows are on the grass? 1. How many horses are on the grass? 2. How many pigs are on the grass? 3. How many goats are on the grass? 4. How many donkeys are on the grass? 5. How many sheep are on the grass? 6. How many hens are on the grass? 7. How many roosters are on the grass? 8. How many turkeys are on the grass? 9.
Quack, quack, quack.
How many ducks are in the pond? 10. What does the cow give us? Milk. Let us count the number of milk bottles given by the cow. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. We make many things from milk like yogurt, cheese, butter, ice cream, and paneer. What does the hen give us? Eggs. What are eggs used for? We eat eggs to stay healthy. What does the sheep give us? Wool. What is wool used for? Clothes are made from the wool given by the sheep to keep people warm. Now please sit with your mother or father and tell them, What is the name of this farm animal?
Quack. 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 Quack.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us. Have a nice day. Please listen carefully. Children under 2 years of age should not use phones. Kids of age 2 to 5, not more than 1 hour per day. Kids aged 6 to 17, not more than 2 hours per day. Too much screen time is harmful for your eyes and your health. Thank you.